Greetings, viewers. This week, there's no time for the gym. That's not good. The good news is that you can still work out effectively. How frequently do you do push-ups? One of the most fundamental workouts ever created. If your physical stamina is essential to your employment, well, you perform them frequently. This applies to everyone, from athletes to service members. Let's talk about the rewards of regular push-up practice. Will you get more powerful? Does it improve your cardiovascular system? Can my posture be any better? We'll discuss all of that and more. Starting with number 1, enhances the definition of your muscles. Push-ups will get you shredded if you do them frequently in solid sets. You're curious about how? So fasten your seatbelts. It's a little trickier than just lying down and lifting your body weight. You can target a different muscle with each push-up variation because there are lots of them. Your hand should be shoulder-width apart when performing a normal push-up. Your triceps are worked by this. The distance between your hands is doubled when performing wide push-ups. Your chest will swell as a result. Your hands are held closer together during narrow push-ups. Your triceps and pectorals gain from this. Your hand should be shoulder-width apart when performing forward push-ups, but they should be around 20 centimeters in front. When performing backward push-ups, place your hands 20 centimeters in back. Your abs and back muscles are worked using both forward and backward motions. You'll look pumped up and be in decent enough shape to hit the beach this summer thanks to this. Number 2, assistance is given to your joints. For a moment, disregard appearing cut. Talk about your joints. Where 2 or more bones touch on your body, those are your joints. They can work properly because of this. It would probably be best if you started a push-up routine if they've been having trouble lately. Push-ups work multiple joints. Start completing sets on a regular basis if you're worried about the muscles and tendons around your shoulder. You should perform as many push-ups as you can, even if there's no ideal number for everyone to perform. You should perform 3 sets of 12 repetitions, according to several health experts. Number 3, push-ups aid in the prevention of cardiovascular issues. Your cardiovascular system will benefit significantly from push-ups. Your heart must work harder as a result of the activity in order to produce oxygen. The tissues of your muscles then receive this oxygen. But you need to work hard if you want the finest outcomes. 2019 research of male firefighters found that those who could perform 40 push-ups in 30 seconds had a decreased risk of heart disease and cardiovascular problems over the following 10 years. Then you must first ensure that your lungs are in excellent condition before beginning any form of activity. Keep it in mind. Are you concerned about your health and looking for strategies to enhance it before we begin our list? Well, perhaps you should watch our video on the numerous health advantages of wheatgrass. Do you fear suffering a brain injury? Check out our most current video on the 8 signs you might have a concussion. Let's get back to our list of advantages of performing push-ups regularly. Number 4, they guard your shoulders. Your rotator cuff injury is the one that you don't want. Your shoulder muscles and tendons can move through this joint. Proper exercise is essential because as we age, our shoulders become more susceptible to harm or injury. Your shoulders will be more effective at protecting you from harm the stronger they are. Push-ups help to stabilize the muscles in your shoulder that surround your rotator cuff. Your shoulders may become more flexible if the exercise is done correctly, which will improve your functionality. This will enhance your physical capacity, particularly for strenuous work in athletics. So try doing more push-ups if you want to throw the ball in the ideal spiral the next time. The typical push-up form works your shoulders while still being terrific for your arms and chest. Again, most specialists advise aiming for 3 sets of 12 reps at the start of this workout. Number 5, they strengthen your core. Every fitness enthusiast's fantasy comes true when they can stride down the beach while flaunting their washboard abs. You need to push yourself hard enough through push-ups if you want it to happen. Do you recall when we discussed forward and backward forms? These are the best techniques for obtaining the fantastic core you desire. Additionally, it'll be robust and healthy in addition to having a good appearance. Now, when I refer to the core, I mean the entire area between the abdominals, the waist, and the pelvis. Mobilization muscles and stability muscles make up the 2 groupings of these ab muscles. While mobilization muscles enable movement, stabilization muscles support the body and aid in maintaining good posture. In order to improve your flexibility, run quicker, and maintain a healthy back, you should perform proper push-ups. Your back troubles and injuries will only get worse if your core is too weak. You can also get weary considerably more quickly. You're in trouble if you're a gymnast or runner. Stabilizing your core muscles through exercise is essential to preventing injuries, just like your shoulders. And number 6, they help you stay balanced. Simply said, push-ups prevent you from losing your balance. Your proprioceptive muscle fibers, which maintain your body's balance, are strengthened by the workout. You might not realize it, but even just performing one push-up puts your body to the test. Your muscles are already engaged when you're in the push-up position to keep you from collapsing. The situation changes when you try to push yourself upward. Your nervous system reacts to prevent your body from swaying and does its hardest to keep you still. Consider just how much doing 12 reps in a set can improve your balance. Have you recently been performing push-ups? Has seeing this video inspired you to begin? Please tell us in the comments section. You can contact us at any time.